Arrive in style with this 2016 Toyota Sienna LE. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, MP3 decoder, radio data system, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, rear air conditioning, rear window defroster, power driver seat, power steering and power windows. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.